Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can disable error reporting in Windows. So for doing this you just need to go to your search tab and just write in search tab services. So just click on services. And here you need to find Windows error reporting. So here you can see it. So just right click on it, choose properties. So it's also disabled. So if in your version, I will show you how. If it's you open it and it's in manual and it start, what you need to do? You need first, if you see it here, just right click on it and choose stop. So after you stop it, just choose properties, and here you choose from manual to disabled, and it here must be stopped, and here in service status must be stopped, and just click apply and OK. So now you successfully disabled Windows error reporting service. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.